I'm excited to have the opportunity to talk to you about our outreach initiatives because it's really a way to take access to the community as opposed to waiting for the community to come to us, which we're so good at, right? We have all these wonderful clinics and locations for people to come into, but oftentimes if people don't already know that those exist, they don't know to use us. So getting training out to the community, into schools, into community centers, into businesses, this is a great way for people to not only learn great skills around suicide prevention and intervention, as well as awareness through our mental health first aid training, but it's also a way for them to be empowered to take control of how they want their communities to look when it comes to emotional wellness and mental health, which is the purpose of the Healthy Minds, Healthy Communities project.
Healthy Minds, Healthy Communities is an initiative that was created in response to COVID's impact on mental health. It is designed to support emotional wellness in the communities, help communities strengthen and grow existing support systems. It is a way to help neighborhoods and communities build bridges to behavioral health care providers, and it is designed to help break down the stigma around mental health.
We are able to go into 10 different zip codes in Harris County who met that criteria to listen and learn about what their dreams are around emotional wellness, what their opportunities that they already have available, who their leaders are, what's going on, what are some of the barriers that they've already experienced in trying to get toward this emotional wellness in their communities, and what are the specific next steps that they would like to see happen and would like to take leadership in. Then the Harris Center is working with these communities to act on those next steps and see what we can do to work with those leaders using the model of community-initiated care that was created through the Wellbeing Trust.
So the HMHC program is different from the other programs at the Harris Center. In fact, that is because we heavily focus on the digital component piece for this program. It's really important to us. You know, when we got the numbers back from the Harris County Medical Examiner's Office, Harris County in general, we found that a lot of deaths by suicide occurred in the youth under age of 18 in these 10 zip codes that we're working in. And so it kind of goes with our philosophy that we are meeting communities where they are. So we're meeting the youth where they are, and that's on anything digital. So social media, we're heavily leveraging that. And so we're on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. We may be getting on Twitch, but we're really trying to meet these youth where they're at to connect with them and try to help make a difference. But we also know a very heavy audience of ours is not on social media, and if they are, it's really just on Facebook, and they have minimal contact with the internet. So we're kind of knocking on doors and doing the traditional grassroots method, and that's been really helpful to us.
My role in the Healthy Minds, Healthy Communities programs helps to facilitate the community interaction. It helps to be that liaison and connection between the community and the community-based agencies, and also the school districts and any stakeholders within the community, and support the resiliency that we're trying to build. The partnership with the schools is so important because we try to really highlight the access that's available to the schools, to the partners within the school districts, to the community-based agencies, and most of all to the students and families that are involved in the community, because we find that sometimes is the biggest barrier that we have, is knowing where to go, what they could do for help in supporting their resiliency and supporting their mental and emotional well-being. So we want to be able to be that highlighted part in the community to say that we are here, we're able, we're willing to help, and be that kind of that partnership that shows that we're more than just an agency, but we're an integral part of the community.